In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find work-from-home jobs on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access the job search feature on LinkedIn. Go to the Jobs tab. You can easily find it by looking for the briefcase icon in the top navigation bar of your LinkedIn homepage. This is where all the job listings are organized. Once you've clicked on the Jobs tab, it's time to enter your keywords. You'll see a field labeled Search by Title, Skill, or Company. This is where you can type in the specific job title you're looking for. For instance, if you're interested in software engineering roles, type in Software Engineer. You can also enter specific skills you possess or the name of a company you're interested in working for. Next, we need to set the location to remote. This is a crucial step. Click into the city, state, or zip code location field next to the search bar. Instead of typing in a specific city, simply type or select remote from the drop-down menu that appears. This adjustment ensures that the job listings you see will be tailored to roles that don't require you to be physically present in a particular location. Once you've entered your keywords and set the location to remote, it's time to execute the search. Just press Enter or click the search button to view the results that align with your preference for remote work. Now, you should see a list of job postings that fit your criteria. Take your time to browse through them. If you feel overwhelmed, remember that you can further refine your search using the filters at the top of the page. These filters include options like date posted, experience level, or whether the position is on-site or remote. Utilizing these filters can help you quickly find the most relevant opportunities for you. As you sift through the job listings, you may find roles that pique your interest, but that you're not quite ready to apply for just yet. No worries. LinkedIn has a handy feature that allows you to save these listings for later. Just look for the Save button on the job listing and click it. This way you can easily keep track of potential roles without losing them in the mix. And that's essentially how you can find work-from-home jobs on LinkedIn. By accessing the Jobs tab, entering your desired role, adjusting the location to remote, executing the search, and utilizing the filters, you can streamline your job hunt. Plus, don't forget to save those jobs you want to revisit. I hope you found this guide helpful, and it empowers you to discover exciting work-from-home opportunities. Remember, the world of remote work is vast, and with LinkedIn, you have an excellent tool at your fingertips to help you navigate through it. Happy job hunting!